Time to make some tea. Ah, perfect. This tea smells wonderful.
It looks great. It's perfect. I'm glad. What a lovely day for a walk. It is. The forest is so beautiful. Let's keep going. Look at these big, juicy blueberries. Wow, they look delicious. Here you go. Thank you, friend. I picked these for you. Oh, thank you. They look so yummy. Thanks, friend. Look at all these blueberries. They look delicious. Here, have some. Thank you. Let's go pick a carrot. Okay, this patch looks perfect. Got one. Great job. Okay, one fresh carrot coming up. I'm ready with the basket. Here you go. Thank you. Home with my friend, no more to roam. What a happy day. This is mixing up nicely.
Great. How about some blueberries?
Yes, please. Here you go. Perfect. These will make it perfect, Clover. It looks wonderful. Now to bake.
It does. Let's let it cool.
Yay! I can't wait. This is fun.
It is. Thank you.
Here, take mine. Great teamwork.
Those eggs look perfect.
They are. Let's add them in. It's looking great. Almost done. Now for the carrots. They look perfect. All mixed in now. Mixing the batter. Almost ready. There we go. It's pouring perfectly. Almost done. It looks great. Here comes the batter. Perfect. Keep it steady. It's cooking nicely. It smells amazing.
They smell wonderful.
Time to flip one. Perfect. You did it.
This blueberry cake is wonderful, Hazel.
It is. I'm glad we could share it.
Beautiful day for a treat, friends.
Tweet, tweet. It looks so good.
Here you are, little one.